Now Manvik, this one makes the coin sound. What other jar has the coin sound? You know it already? One makes this sound. No, it's not this. No. Yeah. Check. No. No. Does this sound like coins? No. Does this?
Yes.
Sumaira, if this sounds like this, then find the similar sound over here. Yes, fine. Is this one making the same sound? Shake. Shake. Yes. Yes. Which one makes the coin sound? Can you find? No. Which one has coins? Check. Check. Yes. Nice. Yes.
No.
Yes. Which one makes this coins? This has coins. Check one more. No, this one is not coin. This one is lesser noise. Which one has coins? Check. Yeah.